Hey there, it's Marcos. Let's walk through the latest product enhancements from Snowflake as of March 2025. As the data landscape continues to evolve, Snowflake is stepping up in a big way, delivering powerful enhancements across AI and the data cloud to help organizations move faster, work smarter, and collaborate more securely. This latest wave of updates is all about intelligent automation, seamless integration, and unlocking value across your data ecosystem. Let's start with AI for data intelligence. Snowflake is making it easier to understand and extract value from your data, both structured and unstructured. Using Cortex-powered AI, the platform now auto-generates human-readable descriptions for dynamic, hybrid, Apache Iceberg, and external tables. That means teams can onboard faster and get up to speed on unfamiliar schemas without needing tribal knowledge. They've also leveled up data classifications. Snowflake can now scan column names and values to suggest categories like PII, emails, and birth dates, helping you tighten compliance and tag sensitive data without guesswork. Document AI is now generally available with better accuracy for extracting info from things like invoices or financial statements, checkboxes, yes, no questions, you name it. And with the expanded parse document function, you can now process file types like TIFF, JPEG, and PNG on top of PDF and DOCX, making unstructured data ingestion even more flexible. To cap it off, Snowflake now lets you give custom instructions in natural language when generating SQL from semantic models. This gives teams more control over how AI produces queries, making analytics more relevant and reliable, especially for dashboards and reporting. Snowflake is also pushing deeper into generative AI. Cortex Complete now supports structured outputs, so developers can define the exact format they need for AI responses. That bridges the gap between natural language generation and operational workflows. And yes, LLM fine-tuning is here. You can now train Cortex models on your own datasets, which is huge for companies with industry-specific language or proprietary content that generic models just don't get right. On the dev side, Snowflake continues to streamline the builder experience. Universal search now includes registered machine learning models, making it easier for teams to find, reuse, and collaborate on ML assets across your account. They've also extended Snowpark container services with support for running interactive notebooks on AWS. That means you can now spin up custom environments pre-configured with popular ML libraries, scalable compute, CPU or GPU, and full support for pip and conda for package management. Perfect for advanced modeling or fine-tuned dev control. Let's switch gears to platform-level improvements. Snowflake is all about scale and efficiency in 2025. They've lifted the max cluster count limit for multi-cluster operations. Instead of a hard cap of 10, the ceiling now varies by warehouse size. Great news for high concurrency workloads or customer-facing analytics. Support for dynamic tables has expanded dramatically, up to 50,000 per account. That gives teams more flexibility to define automatically refreshed views for complex pipelines. They also introduced native alerts that trigger when new data hits dynamic tables, letting teams automate follow-up actions or notifications without needing third-party tools. Finally, let's talk trust and governance. Snowflake now lets you apply custom data sharing terms directly within their data clean rooms. This gives you more control over how data is used, with legal and governance parameters baked right into the platform. Previously, customers had to rely on Snowflake's default provider consumer terms. Now you've got more autonomy with customer-controlled usage agreements. One more thing. Remember those Cortex-powered table descriptions I mentioned earlier? They don't just boost discoverability, they also enhance documentation and metadata management, which is a big win for data governance at scale. So that's the March 2025 rundown. Snowflake is doubling down on making AI and the data cloud more intelligent, flexible, and secure. Whether you're optimizing data pipelines, fine-tuning models, or building out collaborative data ecosystems, these enhancements offer the tools to move faster and make smarter decisions right inside the platform.